What would be the future of us if we were not challenged by circumstances? How has every invention or every discovery come into existence? Would we see and experience everything we are using today if human life was not challenged by circumstances? Man realizes his potential when he is challenged. Man develops his courage and confidence through challenges. Would human intelligence break all the boundaries if it was not challenged? Man became ready for the future, and humanity is courageous enough to welcome the future, as humanity has reached an intellectual state wherein we believe that we can create solutions to any challenges that we encounter. Just imagine once, if human life was not challenged in any manner, what would be the fate of this universe? Challenging human potential is the game that universe plays with us to make us know more and more about ourselves and to make us realize more and more of our potentials. All we need is to be ready, enthusiastic and energetic for any challenge, and that is where all the scope for invention and discovery is, in the external world and in our internal world. Isn't man superior today because of his creation? Where is creation without a challenge? History has been created from the most critical challenges. Where is history without a critical challenge? Inspiration takes its birth from the soul that encounters the most critical challenge and withstands all odds till he emerges as a victor. Now, what is a challenge for you? Think. And to know the biggest challenge what humanity is going to encounter, let's go through the life of Dr. Ray Kurzweil, who is well described as the restless genius by Wall Street Journal and the ultimate thinking machine by Forbes. The recipient of over 20 honorary doctorates, author of many inspiring books, who also received the world's largest prize in innovation, MIT Lemelson Prize, and also National Medal of Technology, the nation's highest honor, and he is inducted in the National Inventors Hall of Fame. Kurzweil discovered his passion to be an inventor at the age of 5. And he built robotic puppet theatre and robotic game at a very early age. He read the Tom Swift Jr. entire series by 8 years. At 15, he wrote his first program and was among national winners in science fair. By 20, he started a company that helped high school students to join colleges. By 25, he founded Kurzweil Computer Products Inc. and developed first OmniFont optical character recognizing system, and later he invented charge-coupled device flatbed scanner, print-to-speech reading machine for the blind, text-to-speech synthesizer, the Kurzweil K250 music synthesizer, and large vocabulary speech recognition system, and many more. He has a high-hitting track record for accurate predictions. Of 147 predictions he made, 86% of them proved right. By 1998, he said computer would defeat the world chess champion, and it happened in 1997. IBM's Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov, and he predicted PC would be capable of answering queries. By 2000, exoskeletal limbs would let the disabled walk. People would be able to talk to their computers. Computer displays would be built in eyeglasses, and they all came true. And he says by 2029, artificial intelligence would achieve the level of human intelligence. And by 2045, he says singularity prevails. That is, a point wherein machines would become smarter than humans. That is, super intelligent machines will happen by 2047, giving a biggest challenge for human intelligence. Probably the biggest challenge ever that would give us an opportunity to multiply our intelligence by 1 billion-fold. What a brilliance is life, encountering challenges. How can we miss the experience?
Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.